endless rage. Some folks go to college, other folks travel the globe.